This is the EcoFlow DELTA Mini, a portable power station for home backup and outdoor adventures. Press the main power button to turn on DELTA Mini. On the front of the unit, you'll find an LCD screen that displays key information. Below the screen is one USB-C port, two USB-A ports, and one USB-A fast charge port. The IoT button resets your unit's wireless connection and makes it discoverable to other devices. On the back of the DELTA Mini, you can find the charging ports under the dust cover. Between the charging ports is the AC charge speed switch, which is a customizable switch that allows you to change the speed of AC charging. On the far right, you'll find an overload protection switch. Below that are the AC outlets and an AC power button. At the bottom of DELTA Mini, you'll find two DC 5521 ports, a car outlet, and a DC power button. That's the exterior of DELTA Mini in a nutshell. Need more tutorials? Head to our EcoFlow Support YouTube channel.